So this is Elaine Thomson Herah. In case you don't know, she is one of the Jamaican fastest female sprinters, and she is also one of the fastest women alive. Recently, during the Jamaican trials, Elaine Thomson Herah could not qualify, and the reasons why she was not able to qualify was she had a lot of injuries. Then all of a sudden, her former coach, known as Frano Stephen Francis, started calling out Elaine Thomson Herah, saying that even if she decided to come back, he's not gonna take her back. And Elaine Thomson Herah never asked him that she is going to come back. He said it when he was being interviewed by one of the popular Jamaican TV news station. The TV hoster asked Francis Frano if he is going to take Elaine Thomson Herah has finally blasted Francis Frano back, and in this video I'll be sharing with you all what Elaine Thomson Herah said to him. So make sure to subscribe if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel. Now, when he was being asked, he said he's going to take anybody else, which means he said he's gonna take Shericka Jackson back, he's gonna take Shelly and Fries back, but he is never ever gonna take Elaine Thomson Herah back. Here are the reasons. He said that Elaine Thomson Herah is a very ungrateful human being. After all he has done to her, he trained her to become who she is today. She was able to win the Olympic back to back in 2021, and all of a sudden Elaine Thomson Herah left him without any she didn't give him accolade, she didn't give him the respect he deserves. She just kind of snubbed him, and she pretends to be ungrateful to him. That's what makes her former coach Francis Frano very, very, very angry, to the extent that he said that he's gonna take any athlete back, but not Elaine Thomson Herah. Francis Frano went far and added that the real problem to the reason why she is not performing this year is because of her husband. Francis Frano recently in an interview blamed Elaine Thomson Herah's husband, calling him the reason behind her downfall and the reason why she was not able to qualify for Budapest. Elaine Thomson Herah recently, when being interviewed, she also said that it pains her a lot to see that she did not qualify for Budapest because she is being signed to Puma, and she not qualifying. You know what that means. To be honest, I don't see any, I don't blame Elaine Thomson Herah's coach for what he said, and I don't also blame Elaine Thomson Herah. Here are my reasons: because if the TV hoster never asked him, he will not have said it. He has been having what he said in his mind for a very long time. So even if I were in Elaine Thomson Herah's former coach shoes, which is Frano, I will still talk the same thing, I will still say the same thing, because it is something that was in my mind. And finally, somebody from a TV hoster asked me what I'm gonna do if I am to take her back. Then definitely I will say the same thing. So I don't blame him. I blame those TV hosters, those newscasters who decided to ask Frano Stephen that kind of a question, despite them knowing what has been going through between them. And I just felt like Frano and Elaine Thomson Herah need to come back together and agree together. Like, Elaine Thomson Herah need him back, and he also need her back. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.